Hey, Boolean Wizards. In today's Boolean BTS, we're going to go behind the scenes of the Meltwater blog's breakdown of 2023's top 10 emojis on social media. In this blog, our team used Meltwater to analyze the usage of the top 10 emojis of 2023 according to Emojipedia. So social media specific operators, including emojis, are important for ensuring that you're paying attention to the right conversations. For example, it can help you stay ahead of a crisis by including emojis associated with anger or fear in your searches. I'm going to show you how to use these emoji operators in an actual search in Explore today to make that an absolute breeze. And to set up each of our emoji searches, the steps and the Boolean operators are always going to be the same. So you can check the table in the post for the copy and pastable text for each one, but it is so easy. Let's jump in. So step one, we're going to want to go into Explore and start an advanced search. From here, you just grab the copy pastable text and pop it into your search box. And then the next thing we want to do is apply our filters. So under source type, you're going to want to select everything that isn't blogs, broadcast, comments. So Facebook's okay, no forums. Instagram's okay, no news. Pinterest is okay. Then we're going to skip podcasts and product reviews, click Reddit, skip request for proposal, RSS, everything else all the way to the end. Once we have those selected, let's go ahead and limit our language. For me, I speak English, so I'm going to limit it to English. And from there, you can just go ahead and click search. And then a pro tip here is going to be once you have all of that entered in as your filter set, you can use this filter set to save your set. And I'm going to save it as emojis. And then once that is done, then you can always use that for any of your other searches just by scrolling down and applying it. So now our next step is going to be to save this search. So we're going to save it, title it emoji, tears of joy, and boom. Once that's saved, we're going to head back to the homepage. And now we're going to go through kind of what is in the rest of the article. So the article used several different visualizations for share of voice. So in order to do that, you're going to actually want to create a comparison search. So to do that, go over to this comparison search tile and click create. And then once this loads up, you'll have this add search button. Click that. And then I'm actually just going to select every single one of my searches because that's all that I've got right now, but yours might have a longer list. So that's why I added this emoji on the front, just to make them easy to find. So once you have that done, we're going to adjust our date range. The article used January 1st through November 30th, 2023. You can use those dates if you want, or you can just use whatever you personally find interesting. But if you're trying to replicate the results in the article, it's best to stick as close as possible. Once that comparison search comes back, you'll have a lot of different options for visualizations and just cool ways to look at your data. The article specifically used three, which were the share of voice by mentions, which is right here, and then share of voice by source. So this shows you kind of the different places where people are using those. And then, of course, share of voice by location. And these are all just a few of the ways that you can look at this, but you can also look at sentiment and other options. So there you have it.